when it comes to importance of discipleship, it is for me personally. So I can speak personally. I don't want to go theologically, but I think when it comes to personally, it's the one thing Jesus said we must go and do.
Yeah.
You know, the one command. He says, you go out into the world, you go and make disciples. You baptize them in the name of the Father, the Son, the Holy Spirit, and you teach them what I taught you. And the Lord spoke to me years ago about that, about He wants me to live with people.
Yeah.
So Jesus didn't give you a manual of saying this is how He wants you to do it, or here's a 10-step plan of
Right. Right.
even while He was with them, training them, teaching them, He sent them out. And He says, you go out 2 by 2 or how many ever,
Yeah.
and you're going to do what I do. I give you the authority to drive out demons, pray for people for healing, and do all those things. And then you come back to me and they report it.
Yeah.
And He didn't say, well, this and this and this. He said, well, this is how you could do it. And they said we couldn't cast out those demons. And He says, well, those demons, this is how you can take them out and stuff like that. It's just, I think it was so just an everyday life.
Yeah. Yeah.
Walk with people. And so from very young, the Lord has taught me to walk with people. So you become my friend, we disciple each other.
Yeah.
For me, that is my main focus when I become someone's friend. It's not just a friendship, hey, we're buddies.
Right.
It's a how can I disciple you to become more Christ-like?
Yeah.
And what can I learn from you and be your disciple?
Right. Right.
And how can I become more Christ-like because of what you teach me?